Have you ever felt like you're running on a hamster wheel in your credit repair business? You're working long hours, trying every trick in the book, cold DM, social media posts, begging for referrals, and yet the results are meh. Meanwhile, there's other credit repair business owners just crushing it, bringing in $5, $10, or $20,000 a month with ease. What's the difference? It's not that they're smarter than you or working harder than you. It's that they've got a system, and that's what I want to introduce to you today. Number one is position yourself and your credit repair business as a premium offer. Think about this. Would you rather sell bottled water for $1 on the street or sell a $10,000 water filter system to homeowners? Same product, water, but a completely different perceived value. Right now, most credit repair businesses are selling their services like bottled water, cheap and convenient. But what if you position yourself like a $10,000 water system? When you shift your mindset and your messaging, you're not just fixing credit, you're changing lives and unlocking financial freedom for your clients. When you position yourself as premium, people don't just want you, they respect you, they trust you, and they pay you more. Number two, leverage authority figures. Imagine this. You're standing on side of a river. Your dream clients are on the other side. You got two choices. Option one, you jump in a boat and paddle against the current, hoping to reach them. This is like cold calling, DM, or running ads to broke leads. It's exhausting, unpredictable, and most of the time, you're going to sink. Option two, you use a bridge, a sturdy, proven connection to get you directly to the other side. That bridge is an influencer. Influencers already have the audience, the trust, the attention you need. Partnering with them gives you instant access to your ideal clients. No paddling, no stress, just results. Number three, automate and qualify. Let me break this down for you. Either you're farming or you're fishing. The farmer works hard, planting seeds, watering the soil, pulling weeds, but it takes months to see that harvest. And most credit repair business owners are farming, putting tons of effort without seeing consistent results. But a fisherman, they cast a line into the pond with the right bait and pull in the exact fish that they're looking for. That's what automation does. When you have the right funnel in place and pre-qualified, you're no longer farming, you're fishing, reeling in clients who are already hungry for what you offer. So here's the truth. Success isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter with a system. The influence, the income formula will give you that system. And I'm breaking it down in a free webinar that I call How to Grow Your Credit Repair Business with High Ticket Clients in 24 hours using the influencer amplifier effect. Click the link below to save your seat right now. Remember this, people don't pay for what you do, they pay for what you make possible. If you're ready to start working harder and start working smarter, this is where it starts. I'll see you in the webinar.